You're not just going to be finding out how to make your own puff puff mix at home. I'm going to be showing you ingredients and measurements up to 1 kg of flour to make your own puff puff mix at home. Now, adding all your ingredients, which are your flour, your sugar, your nutmeg, your yeast, salt, mix it all together thoroughly. Make sure you mix it properly, and that is it. Store in an airtight container. If you are using it for business, you can seal in your pack, and you are good to go. That is how you make your puff puff mix. It's not any kind of yeast you can use for your puff puff mix. So I'm going to be telling you the yeast that is best for your puff puff. For this particular recipe, I use 500 grams of flour, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, salt half teaspoon, nutmeg half teaspoon, yeast 1 tablespoon. Please, we are using instant yeast for your puff puff mix because that is the yeast you can add directly to your flour. Do not use active dry yeast for your puff puff mix. One thing I love about puff puff mix is that it is easy to make and it is profitable. It does not need preservatives, and you just need to keep it in an airtight container. It must be in an airtight container. If you're using it for business, after mixing, seal immediately. This is to prevent air from getting into your puff puff mix and preventing the yeast in your puff puff mix from going bad. You want to make sure your yeast is good so that when you sell for business, your customers will have something nice at the end of the day. Now, these are the ingredients and measurement for 1 kg of flour. You need half cup of sugar, salt 1 teaspoon, nutmeg 1 teaspoon, yeast 2 to 3 tablespoons of yeast, depending on how active your instant yeast is. If you want me to make buns mix, I want you to comment buns mix in the comment section. And if you have watched to this point, do subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen, do like and share. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Thumbs up this video, and of course, see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye for now.